We are here at Piha's Lion Rock. This is a taste of the sights and sound. Wow, so super clean, clear. What's your most memorable beach experience? I would love to hear from you in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe for more New Zealand adventures. Piha. Lifeguards are out already. Shark attack? Can we get a shark attack on here? I'm kidding. That many blue bottles out at the moment. I haven't seen any jellyfish. Often there will be loads. You're getting towed off. Get out. Idiot. Trying to get your life saved. Completely ignoring. The sign did say no dogs. So I am quite surprised, yeah. It did say something because of like, well, there was penguins, which I have not seen, but anyway. The other thing too is like, this sand's damn hot, so your dog's paws be burning up. Yeah, but they had to get to the water somehow by walking across the sand. Looks like they've had fun, it looks like wheelies. Swim between the flags. People watching. Go have a look on the lion's paws. It's alright. I'll have a look at the lion's paws. What is that yellow sign over there? Don't tell me it's slippery when wet.
Don't swim here.
Don't swim here.
I meant we're following rocks.
Ooh.
Don't get too close to the rocks. You got everybody like picnicking in
People
the
are like
shadows.
underneath the shadows of the potential falling rocks.
When I was younger, I was able to like climb up onto here.
Yes. I don't know if you can still climb up there. It looks pretty. I mean, you can.
Swim here. This is too I heard that there's a lot of like little potholes in the rocks.
Massive hole there.
The lion's nostrils.
Oh, but I don't know. People better not be swimming. This little river. Have a wee look on the rocks. We are now on the lion's paws, kind of. Holy moly. Look at this cute little rock pool. Love it. Wow. So super clean, clear. I see Kinna. All these guys are getting pippies down here. Mussels. And what do we have in here? That's what I thought. Crabs. Oy. Bird, go and get you. Should not be climbing up there. I appreciate you watching. YouTube reckons this next video is right up your alley. Share this video with fellow travelers and don't forget to subscribe for more Kiwi shenanigans.